Hello dear students of class 6 and welcome to online class of general knowledge. As you know, we have completed 2 lessons so far and I hope that you have completed all the assignments as provided to you in the videos. Now today children, we will be studying basic yogasanas. Now children, in today's world, especially amidst this lockdown, one thing we have to care for very much is our health, right? Because we are at home, there is hardly any major physical movement, right? We can't go out to exercise, and one of the most important thing is lot of fast food is being cooked in our homes, but that is also having an adverse effect on our health. So in order to take care of our health, we have to engage ourselves in certain physical activity. And let me tell you dear children, there is no physical activity as good as yoga. Yoga, as you have learnt in class 5, in English means union. It simply means merging your psyche, your consciousness, your inner self, your spirit with your body, right? Bringing them together, making them work as a single unit. Now, children, yoga not only keeps our body physically fit, but it also keeps us mentally healthy. It boosts our immune system, helps us to fight many kinds of diseases, keeps us flexible enough, right? And most importantly, it relieves stress. Today's world is a stressful world. Lot of stress, lot of tension, right? Yoga is one of the best techniques to remove those said tensions and provide us with inner peace. Now, children, yoga is a age-old Indian meditation and exercising technique, right? Those who are yoga students, you know very well that mostly in yoga in India was introduced by a saint called Patanjali, right? And nowadays it is being made popular by actually there are many yoga gurus, good yoga gurus, but one of the famous one which you know and see on the television is Baba Ramdev, right? In fact, the importance of yoga has been accepted by the whole world in such a way that there is a day entirely dedicated to practicing of yoga, right? It is known as International Day of Yoga, and that falls every year on 21st June. On that day, people all over the world, film stars, politicians, celebrities, as you can call them, right? Even common people, even military man, everybody, almost everybody, they take part by doing yogasanas which suit or fit them best. But children, yoga, while doing yogasanas, there are certain things we have to know. Like every medicine is not good for everybody, in the same way every type of yoga is not good for everybody. It somewhat depends on our physicality. Like there are some yogas which should not be done by people who already have some kind of stomach problems. There are some yogas which should not be done by people who already have some kind of heart, that is cardiovascular problem. There are some yogas which should not be done by people who have joint problems, right? There are particular yogas fit for particular people. So before doing any kind of yoga, we must know about it. We must learn whether that yoga is good for us or bad for us. Not only that, one of the important things to remember is yoga must be done on an empty stomach. Whenever you have to do yoga, make sure you have not eaten anything beforehand or within a smaller time gap, right? If you have eaten something, you wait for a good time gap as suggested by your yoga teacher, right? Or yoga guru, and then you resume your yoga practices. You cannot just eat and then jump into doing yoga. It will be harmful for your body. In the same way, dear children, the people who are doing yoga should not consume any kind of abusive substance like cigarette, gutkha, alcohol, pan masala, anything like that should be avoided by people doing yoga. Otherwise, the effects will not be good. The effects will not be good. Now, in your book, in your chapter that we are going to learn, the basic yogasanas, right? we are going to learn about three basic asanas as suggested in your book: Trikonasana, Bhadrasana, and Shashank Asana. Okay, Shashank Asana. Once let me spell it for you. TRI 3 KON Kon ASANA Asana Trikonasana. Then you have BHADRA Bhadra SANA Sana Bhadrasana. SASANK Sasank ASANA Asana Sasankasana. Okay, so we have three yogasanas to learn about. Alright, now how to do these yogasanas, it's best you refer to your yoga teacher's videos on the class group. Here I will discuss only the benefits of the said yogasanas. Now if you look at number one of the yogasanas, its major benefit is number one, it strengthens arms, legs, knees, ankles, and chest. Alright, it makes arms, legs, knees, ankles, and chest stronger. Then improves balance and increases concentration, focus. And number three, helps to remove excess fat from the waist and thigh, especially for big people who are suffering from obesity, the excessive fat in the body, overweight problem. This is one of the good asanas for them. Number two, that is Bhadrasana. Its benefits are: number one, relieves stiffness of knees, hips, and ankle joints. In short, it makes your joint flexible, more movable, more proper. And number two, useful for kidneys and urinary bladder. If you are having problems with kidney, if you have problem with your urinary bladder, if you don't have a regular urine, right, then best thing to do is to practice this asana. All right, and number three, that is Shashankasana, improves digestion and cures constipation, improves the digestion of food and cures any kind of gastric related problem. Number two, strengthens knees and ankles, makes your knees and ankles strong, and tones spinal muscles. Your spinal cord muscles are made stronger by this asana. So what we will do is we will write these asanas benefits on the board and learn. First one, strengthens arms, legs, knees, ankles, and chest. After that, next, improves balance and concentration. The third one, helps to remove excess fat from waist and thighs. Okay, so let's go through this once again. First one, strengthens arms, legs, knees, ankles, and chest. Number two, improves balance and concentration. Number three, helps to remove excess fat from waist and thighs. Now let's look at Bhadrasanas. Benefits of Bhadrasana. Relieves stiffness of knees, hips and ankle joints. Number 2, useful for kidneys and urinary bladder. So let's go through the benefits of Bhadrasana once more. First one, relieves stiffness of knees, hips and ankle joints. And number 2, useful for kidneys and urinary bladder. So these two are the benefits of Bhadrasana. Now we will move on to Shashank Asana and write its benefits and learn. First benefit, improves digestion and cures constipation. Number 2, strengthens knees and ankles. And number 3, tones spinal muscles. Okay, so these three are the benefits of Shashankasana. Let's go through them once again. First one, improves digestion and cures constipation. Number 2, strengthens knees and ankles. And number 3, tones spinal muscles. Now children, you know very well these are not just the 3 asanas. These are 3 basic yogasanas. Alright. One more is there, pranayama. You know very well about it. Now children, every yogasana is useful, but like I said before, it must be practiced with care in a little bit of precaution. Now, your work as far as your homework goes, dear children, is to write these 3 yogasanas in the copy and their benefits and learn them. The most important thing you can learn in this chapter is the benefit of these 3 yogasanas. Now, along with that, dear children, you have your quiz time here. Don't worry, you don't have to draw this. Only thing you have to do is write the name of the yogasana and write their benefits. For your help, there is a help box given below. Alright, there is a help box given below. And for your reference, I will be providing you the pic of the page for this chapter's page. That should help you to note down benefits of the yogasanas. But as you can see it on the board, it must be in the same order. First Trikonasana, then Bhadrasana, then Shashankasana. Alright. Now dear children, remember one more work which I will give you, and as a good human being, the one who cares for his or her health, you must follow is that do yogasanas or physical training, that is PT, at home. Alright, engage yourself in maximum physical work. That will not only make you healthy, but it will also boost your immune system, which in turn will help you fight the COVID-19 virus. Alright, so I hope you will follow the instructions and you will do the yogasanas best suited for you. Don't forget, yoga is very important, and this particular hour, that is the hour of the lockdown, without a proper yoga or physical training and without a proper maintenance of diet, you are sure to fall into the trap of any kind of disease, and especially fearful among them right now is the COVID-19 virus. So you have to make sure that you are keeping yourself physically fit, mentally healthy, and one of the best ways to do that is to practice yogasanas. You don't have to do complicated ones. All right, you can do these 3 basic yogasanas And for instruction, you can look at the video given by your yoga teacher that will help you to learn the proper way of doing the said yogasana, and it will make you healthier. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you, dear children.